Hello mga boss. Yes, nabenta na nga si Goldie last week. Ngayon is pupunta tayo sa Bacolod. Ang flight natin via Zamboanga to Cebu, then Cebu to Bacolod. So ngayon is pupunta kami sa airport. Let's go! Yun, at 2 PM nagland kami sa Cebu kaso wala pala kaming lunch, kaya kumain muna kami sa airport, then konting gala sa Cebu since 6 PM pa ang aming next flight papuntang Bacolod. Let's go!
The sun is shining bright like a colorful aurora. It paints the world in hues of orange and white and more. I'm gonna start packing my bag. I'm leaving all worries behind. Let's go, I need to get my own summer style back. The breeze is playing soft through the palm trees loft. Seen it whisper secrets of each land. The sound of the waves lapping on the beach is like a pleasant melody. Soothe my heart's troubles. Windows down with the wind in my hair. I feel so free. Oh, it's the smell of summer.
At di na namin napansin yung oras. Muntik na kami ma-late sa flight kasi traffic pala dito. Let's go! So nasa airport na kami. Di baling maiwan sa aeroplano basta makakape si Mrs. So, nagkape pa siya before kami pumunta doon sa gate. Let's go!
And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean.
At 8:45 PM dumating kami sa Silay at nag-meet na kami ng seller. So checking na kami sa Big Bike. Na, okay sir. Thank you. Hello ma'am. Fast forward, nakadandil na kami ni Bossing. Nagustuhan ko yung unit at nagbayaran na rin kami. Salamat boss sa pag-accommodate dito sa Silay City. Till we meet again. Thank you so much. So ngayon ay babiyahe na kami from Silay City to Bacolod to Kabangkalan. Doon kami magstay. Let's go! Kami sa Bacolod guys. Maraming sigabay 650. masasabi lang namin dito is sobrang ganda ng daanan. 4 lanes each, 3 lanes each, sobrang ganda, ang daming straights. Tapos wala masyadong lubak. So approve na approve yung daanan. Let's go! At dumating na nga kami sa Kabangkalan City. Dito kami magpapalipas ng gabi. Hanggang dito muna ang video natin. Abangan ang ating part 2, Kabangkalan to Dumaguete to Dapitan. Thank you for watching.